Hello, my name is Miss Ashley, and I work at the Kisker Road branch of the St. Charles City County Library District. The library is partnering with the Foundry Art Center to present a book talk, as well as a fabulous art project. So today, I am going to be talking to you about Ellie in Concert by Mike Wu. And this is the story of Ellie the elephant. Ellie lives in the zoo with lots of other animals who make noise. And all of that noise is keeping Lucy the giraffe awake. So Ellie, who is a fantastic friend, tries to think of different ways to help Lucy fall asleep, like finding her a giraffe-sized pair of earmuffs and reading her a bedtime story, but nothing works. And Ellie has run out of ideas until one day, on a walk through the zoo, she hears a mother bird singing a lullaby to her baby birds, which gives Ellie an idea. So Ellie and all of the other animals in the zoo set out to make a lullaby just for Lucy. So if you like stories about animals or friends, or if you like to make your own music, like chomping like a crocodile, or growling like a tiger, or roaring like a lion, this story could be for you. So this story, again, Ellie in Concert by Mike Wu, is available to check out on Hoopla. And you can check it out as an ebook with audio, which means you can listen to somebody else read it. Okay? So I hope you enjoy Ellie and Lucy's story. Thanks so much for joining us.